Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In this video I'm going to tell you that how to create a program in Bluej for graphic designing. So in this video I'm going to tell you that how my program looks like. If you want a tutorial on this, then you can ask it to me. Okay, so let me show you. Okay, so here I'm going to enter the horizontal and vertical values as the size of the program, as the size of the design. So I want the size of this design in length as 1000 and in breadth as 1. So as you can see, the program is being printed as 1000 times using the for loop. Here the size of a program in breadth is 1, as this whole unit is considered as 1 in length, and its size in vertical position or its length is 1000 times. Here I can print it as many times as I want, and if you see it carefully, then you will realize that some pulses are moving through a pipe. If you see these empty blank spaces, let's say it once again. Okay, so maybe you have got what I'm trying to say. So let's try it once again with different values. So here I'm going to enter the vertical value, means the length of this program as 1000 and the breadth of this program as 19. So as you can see, the program is being printed as 1000 into 19 times, that is 1000 is the length of this whole program and 19 times is the breadth of this whole program. So if you see this carefully, then it will look like as if something is moving on the numbers. It means numbers are behind that thing which are moving over them. Or if you see them more carefully, then it will look like an animation, as if something blank or white thing is moving over numbers. Or if you see it alternatively, then you realize that numbers are moving over blank space. So let's see how much time it will take to print the program. And one more thing, my computer is slow, that's why it's taking more time, but for a normal computer this will be printed very fast, depending on the limits you have entered in the program. Because of my slow computer, it is printing very slowly. Oh, how much time it will take. Oh, it's taking very much time. Don't know how much time it will take. Why it's taking so much of time? I know that my computer is slow, but still so much of time is being taken by it. Have I entered the limit as 1000 or 10,000? Depending on the limiter, it will execute the program as fast as the limits that have been entered. Okay, let's wait. Okay, it's taking very much time. So let me see the limit which I have entered. Oh, I can't see the limit also. So okay, it will print like this, but I think okay, so the execution has been completed. Finally it is completed. So let's see what. Okay, so due to my slow computer, it has taken very much time, but if you have faster computer or non-computer, then it will print definitely very fast. So now if you can see, then you will realize as something is moving on the numbers. see, or the numbers are moving very fast. So this is the animation which I have tried to create for you all. Okay, so the main thing of this program is not the design, but the main thing is to print all these units in horizontal position, because printing these units in vertical position is very easy, but printing these units in horizontal position is not so easy. So if you want a tutorial on this program, then please comment down in the comment section below, and please like, share this video and subscribe to my channel to get more videos like this. Thank you.